She looks good.
She's perfectly proportioned.
Judy said, congratulations. And she loves you. And she misses you.
Well, I love you too.
I'm gonna cry.
For about the first, 45 minutes, she had a lot of water coming out of her eyes and couldn't quite get them open. It was almost beautiful. It was just a matter of adjusting to all the light and everything else like that, and actually the muscles opening themselves up to the light. Once she got them open, then she was good to go. My entire family calls it the Bob Downs because my papa lost all of his teeth when he was 17, and he got in this habit where he would sit and do the exact same thing.
She done it too. Mama said that. Mama. I took her up there and she said, that child was wanting something. She said, she did stuff to try, bananas and...
Uh-oh. You want this stuff? Not what we want.
Yay. Oh, I know. Are you gonna let you make up your time?
She's only got one this week.
Only have one big Friday at cart, and I emailed her last night, so I hope so.
You can do it, Tyler.
What?